YouTube, what's going on? It is Lance Away. Today we're doing the real estate income report. How much did we make? And this is basically a 2017 year in review. But this goes for 2013, 2014, 2015, so on and so forth. We did pick up this rental in 2013. And we'll just go over some numbers here. 2013 purchase price $228,888. Let's call it $229. And great time of the year to buy. Wish we had gotten in a year earlier. Maybe we could have shaved off a good 20 grand off of that. But rentals were hard to find at that time. We put in maybe 6 offers on different houses before we found this one, and went a little bit higher. I think the asking price was $220, so that extra $8,888 got us over the top and into becoming landlords. So kudos, and what a great real estate agent we had. Sorry, tripping over my words. So we're in 2018 right now, and I'm going to do probably some pictures. Maybe show a little picture of our rental down here. So currently it is valued at around $338,000. We did put in a fair chunk of change. We did put in $56K, which was 20% at the time. And so no private mortgage insurance. And we got some good equity building into this. So I think at the current rate, with how much we owe on the loan, we owe $165,000. So $165,000. And let's see, so if we were to cash out today and sell the thing, we would gross about $173K. So we made about $100,000 on top of our original investment, and averaged out for about the 4.5 years we've had it. Same rental, same tenants, excuse me, and they're great tenants. They got house plants and potted house plants out front. You know, kind of taking care of it, and it's great. So 4.5 years, it appreciated about an average of $22,000 per year. So fantastic. I don't know what else to say except for it kicks butt. Let's go over some of the numbers and we'll talk about how much we actually made. So as far as income goes, we get $1,500 a month in rent. Oh, actually, let's go over some house stats. So it is a 2-story. It is 3-bed and 2.5 baths. A little powder room, 2-car garage, and it is 1,374 square feet. So we get $1,500. Now, if you go on some of the websites, they'll say you can get as much as $1,695 currently. But since we've had the same tenants for 4 years, we're sticking with the $1,500, and that is pretty healthy because it gives us 18K a year. It's awesome. Management, we do have a property manager, and I'll be flashing some pictures of what it looks like below. Property manager costs us $96 a month, and it totals $11.55 a year. So property management. And then we've got garbage, sewer, HOAs, lawn care. So those are some of the expenses. Got like 25 bucks in garbage. Water and sewer, 63. Homeowners, 32. It actually went down to 30, so that is cool. Stuff never goes down. HOA, water, trash. Also got a little bit of lawn care. It's the tiniest lawn you'd ever see. Twice a month. And it's a little bit out of the way, so 35 is okay. Mortgage. How much do we pay in mortgage? With insurance, it is $1,287 a month. So $1,500. Oh, see, that's annual, and then I'm doing monthly. So this is $1,500. Don't pay attention. And then let's see. Sometimes you get. That's about it. So they pay gas and electricity. Total. What's the grand total for, you know, these are monthly. So annually, $459 in the red. Whoa. So we pay $459 out of pocket to own this rental. And a lot of financial gurus who do rentals as, you know, as their way of life and as their income and their passive income, they would say this is counter to what you should do. And, you know, as a first-time landlord with one rental under my belt, 30-year mortgage and about 25 to go on that thing, I'm definitely happy to be sitting where we are with about $173,000 in equity. It appreciated $22,000 per year. I believe that $459 a year cost is well worth it to get the, you know, anywhere from 4 to 5% appreciation we'll get on the value of the home every year. So as long as the tenants are still in and I can get it rented within a couple months, we haven't had any turnover yet, so I mean, I'm really having a great time with this. Expenses are minimal here and there. We did have a microwave repair last year, which was $400 to have it installed. One of those over-the-counter deals. Some other minor problems with like the toilet, but those are very small tasks. Did get smoke detectors installed, hardwired, and that was $300 in like 2015. So overall, our experience has been wonderful. That's how we're doing with the rental. Hope you guys enjoyed this little overview of how much money we make or lose, I should say. So we're out a couple $1,000s, but we're definitely earning. I mean, we're up 100K on this thing, easy. So life is good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and please let me know in the comments down below what your experience is being a landlord. I'm hoping to pick up another one someday, but you know, the reason I like to document on YouTube is so I can go back and relearn my thoughts and figure out if I'm still on the same track or if I've changed thoughts. Now, one of the ideas that is going on in my head is when the value of our equity gets to as much as maybe we owe on this current home, would I sell this and pay off our current home to where I could maybe go out and buy another home, and then this home would strictly generate cash flow. So our current home is almost 2,000 square feet. Rent would be in the $1,800 range per month, and that would be a pretty good income stream for us. So I don't know, something I'm kicking around, but that's probably a couple years in the future, so I don't have that problem now. So please thumbs up the video, guys, if you liked it. I'm gonna share at the end just some pictures of the rental so you guys can see that, and thumbs up. Thanks. So here is what the rental looks like. It's actually obscured by this tree, but there it sits in the background. 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And then you can see the kitchen area, enough room for a dining table, small dining table. It's got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and the light finish cabinets. And it's got the little powder room downstairs in the kind of great room, TV room area. It's got a small patio, approximately 10 by 20. You can barbecue out there and whatnot. And then upstairs is the master and, you know, kids' bedrooms and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one. This is Lance Away.